Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 29th of October. I'm James Spann. A beautiful day tomorrow. Then rain moves back in over the weekend. Let's check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view. Have a deep upper low moving out of the Great Lakes, a surface cold front passing through. There's the visible satellite view. As expected, we had clouds this morning giving way to a partly to mostly sunny afternoon. Temperatures looking pretty good, mostly low and mid-70s. Birmingham at 73. Huntsville warmer because they've been in sunshine most all day. They have 77, but tomorrow will be cooler. There's the watch warning map. Things relatively quiet around the nation. A few scattered wind advisories, and that's about it. Severe weather possibilities for the rest of today and tonight. A marginal severe weather risk over parts of Texas around the Rio Grande. Tomorrow, again, a marginal risk over central and south Texas. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a marginal risk for the western Gulf Coast from near Corpus Christi to Mobile. There might be some thunder here over the weekend, but for the moment, the chance of severe weather, even on Sunday, looks quite small. Look at the rain for the next 5 days. Heavy rains all the way from Texas into the deep south. Here's a closer, higher resolution look at that. You can see the bullseye in our state is 3.16 inches. Just east of Birmingham. Jackson, Mississippi, 3.21. So looks like a thorough soaking coming up this weekend, so get ready. Let's check it out, see if we can answer your questions about the timing of the rain. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. Big trough in the southwest United States, but for us, a glorious day. We start the day down in the mid-40s. The high will be around 70. Should be hard to find a decent cloud in the sky. Fall colors are starting to peak. It's just going to be delightful, but rain to the west. Saturday, 1 o'clock, rain at that point, beginning to move into extreme west Alabama with a surface low that's near Tyler and Longview, Texas. This is the European Saturday at 1 o'clock, and you can see the rain nosing into extreme northwest Alabama. For in terms of football, we got the Magic City Classic. That game kicks off at 2:30. It sure looks like rain will be moving into Birmingham during that game at Legion Field, so take the rain gear. Auburn kicks off at 11. That's a great day to start early because that means a pretty decent chance that game will be played dry. The rain coming in after the final whistle down in Lee County. Here's the NAM Saturday at 1 o'clock. Pretty similar. It's got rain mostly north of Interstate 20 at that point, but the rain becomes widespread Saturday night. The news not looking good for the trick-or-treaters. It just looks wet. It's going to be hard to get around this statewide. Could be some thunder Saturday night. Severe weather not expected. And quite frankly, I don't think we get out of the 60s on Saturday. And this is Sunday. There's a broad surface low west of the state. Sunday will be a day with rain and thunder. And again, I'm not so sure we get out of the 60s. We'll check the instability. This is Sunday at 1 o'clock, and there basically isn't any for most of the state just because of this large rain mass. The higher instability values over extreme southeast Alabama, and even there, they're somewhat marginal. Another thing to note, very high precipitable water values, in excess of 2 inches for much of South Alabama and over 1.5 inches here. So it looks like a really good soaking, and again, we're expecting rain amounts of 2 to 3 inches over the weekend. Then Monday, the rain moves out. We expect gradual clearing. The high will be in the 70s. And this is Tuesday. We are dry and mild with a big upper high building in. We'll be in the upper 70s. Somebody may be touching 80 on Tuesday. Same thing Wednesday. And a week from today, Thursday, the 5th of November, very high amplitude, a strong upper high on top of us, a deep cold trough in the western states. That's kind of deflecting the storm systems north and west of here, keeping the cold air over the western U.S., and again, we'll be well up in the 70s. That looks dry. This is the end of the forecast on Sunday, the 8th of November. The ridge is flattening out, so temperatures coming down a little bit. There's a strong high over New England. Numbers for the next 15 days off the GFS ensemble. You can see mostly 70s next week. Then after that, highs go back in the low 60s and lows go back in the 40s for mid-November, and that is average for that time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.